Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw a sketch of this photo of BTS member V. You can download this reference photo of Kim Taehyung from the link given in the description of this video. Now let's start the tutorial. So to draw this photo, first of all you need to draw a grid like this. This grid will be having 6 rows and 6 columns. The side of each square is 2 centimeters and the size of my paper is A4. If you will use A3 size paper, you can increase the side of the square to like 3 centimeter. Now in this grid, in the second row we will draw the eyebrow, in the third row we will draw the eyes, in the fourth row we will draw the nose, and in the fifth row we will draw the lips. Let's start with the eye first. As I said, we will draw the eye in the third row. So we will draw the eye in the second column of the third row. Now let's draw the other eye here. Now let's draw the nose. Now let's draw the lips. Now let's draw the outline of the hair. Now let's complete the outline of the face. Now let's erase the grid lines. So I have erased the grid lines, but I realized that I forgot to draw the eyebrow. So now let's draw the eyebrow and the outline process will be completed. So yeah, now the outline process completed. This is how you can simply and perfectly draw the outline of BTS member V Kim. I will upload the shading process separately in a different video. I will upload the complete time lapse of the sketch. The most difficult part in the sketch is always the outline. So now you can easily draw it, and later you can also watch the shading process if you want. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button. I'll be making the tutorials for all the BTS members and many other tutorials as well. So subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Thank you so much for watching.